All right, I'm going to jump right in today because I want to give you plenty of time to work on the Module 6 project. We're going to pick up where we left off last time with custom functions. And if you remember, custom functions are pieces of code or sections of code that we can assign to essentially a keyword that we create to allow us to run that code anywhere in our program. It is a structural advantage that we have that allows us to do some pretty cool things in Python. And so I want to start us off with a little review of how functions work. If you remember, I talked about functions as a black box, like a Vegas, right? What happens in the function stays in the function. We're going to get a little deeper into that today. But also, we want to think of a function as a black box in that to get data into it, we use parameters, and to get data out of it, we use return values. And that allows us to take that function because it's self-sufficient. It does what it does regardless of where we run it. We can take that function then, if we create it properly, and use it in any program we want. We can take it from program A, put it in program B, and as long as we use the same parameters and we know what it gives us back, we can use that just the same. And that's really cool. And Python will take that a step further in just a few weeks here when we talk about creating custom modules. So we've used libraries and modules like the turtle library and the random library. Those are Python modules. And we can actually create Python modules that contain these functions that we can then import, just like we import the turtle in our turtle exercises, to allow us to do really cool things and reuse our code all over the place. And there's some really useful ways that we can reuse our code.